I have these unfinished wood ornaments. They came from Hobby Lobby in a pack, I believe, of 6. I will be using 3 of them. And I'm just removing the backing and the hanger from each wood ornament. So all I have right now is the frame. I'm going to be using General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain, and I'm using a foam dabber, and I'm going to apply the gel stain around the frame of the ornament. And I did this to all 3. And then I just take a paper towel and I rub in the excess gel stain. I found these placemats at Hobby Lobby. They had 3 different patterns. They're very inexpensive. I believe $1.99 before you get the clearance price, as this brand is usually 50% off. I'm going to take the back of each ornament and just trace around one of the animals, and I'm going to then cut that out. Now you could take this idea and use scrapbook paper, a picture, really anything of your choice, but I love these farm animals and I still have plenty left over to use on another project. Once I had each piece cut out, I'm then going to glue it down onto the part of the ornament that we had removed from the frame. And I did this with each of the images that I cut from the placemats. And I'm just holding this down with hot glue. You can also use some E6000. I'm then going to place the frame around the picture. It just goes in and then the sides fold down to hold it in place. I have some wood. I have 2 pieces that measure 15 inches and 2 pieces that measure a little over 5 inches. And I'm going to paint all 4 of these pieces with some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I have some hinges that you could find right at the dollar store. I painted those in iron oxide. You could also leave them the gold color. I'm going to be using this piece of cardboard, and I'm laying my wood pieces down and cutting the cardboard to the size that I need. This is going to be the backing to my project. And once I had it cut to size, I'm then going to glue my wood pieces on top of it. It just gave it a nice platform to hold on to. So I'll be starting with the smaller piece at the top, and I place that in the center of my cardboard. And then I'm going to take each of our pictures and glue them below that. Then I will take one side and place it on the left, and then the other side and place it on the right. And then I'll take my last small piece and place it in the center here. So now we have framed around the 3 animal pictures. I'm then going to place the hinges over on the left side here. I'm going to pre-drill to help prevent from cracking, but I did get some splitting in the wood, but I will be honest, I feel like it added to the rustic look, so I'm not going to overthink it. But be sure to pre-drill to help prevent that. And then I have this little pull handle that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to place that on the right side. And now we have created a little barn door using these farm animals, and I think this really came out cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.